That's the key alarm. Door open, key in ignition. Now listen to this one. That there is an alarm I've never heard before in my 96 F150. Now, the ABS light was on, but now it's off, and now I'm getting this beeping noise constantly. It does it 4 times, it goes off for a minute, and then starts back up. Anybody know what that is?